Hello and welcome everyone. In this session, we will learn about the main types of programming language and how Python support different programming styles and what are they, how it will be work and why it is important for our Python program. Types of programming language is very necessary when you have a starting the programmer, because if in the types of programming language you are knowing about the programming, which programming language is done for what. Here are different types of programming language. You will learn step by step. Let's start with the very first programming language. The first one is procedural programming. What is procedural programming? Procedural programming works step by step. It is one of the easiest style for beginners because programmer follows a step sequence of instruction. When you are beginners and you don't even know the coding, what is happening, what is going on, and if you know, if someone, like for example, if someone give you a whole code and saying this is the coding and that is the output, it's never work. You are not able to taking a concept of that. Instead of that, if someone is guide you step by step, it is very simple for you and easy to learn, and you are very interactive, and you are excited to know the further process, and in that time you have started thinking and taking a logic by yourself. You are providing the logic, you are doing by yourself. That's why procedural programming is very important for Python. And next one is object oriented programming language. What is it? Object oriented programming language is also called OOP. And OOP is uses classes and object. This helps developer to organize large projects and reuse code easily. When you are a programmer and you have to do lots of work, you cannot do time to time same code. That's the reason OOP can give you the access to reuse the code again and again, and it makes your life easy. That's the reason OOP is very important. The next one is functional programming. Functional programming language is focuses on function and reusable logic. Python support features like lambda, map, and filter for cleaner coding. Did you notice the one difference between an OOP and functional programmer? If you noticed, it's very good. If you are not noticing and being confused in this session and in this time, it's okay. This is your first step. I'll repeat again. In OOP, we can reuse our code. We can store our code and just paste our code in next programmer. But in functional programmer, you can reuse your code again and again. That means you can reuse in functional program, you can reuse your logic again and again. That means that is called one thing in programming. That is, what is that? Did you know? Loop. Loop is loop is basically you have to repeat again and again until the programmer stops the coding. That is a loop. It is iterative process. The next one is scripting language. Scripting language is one of the Python very important and useful language because Python is also known as a scripting language. It is widely used for automation, testing, and repetitive tasks because it is simple and fast to write. And it is very important because Python is also one of the best scripting programming language. Basically, we are calling Python also a scripting language in another word. And the next one is web and AI programming with Python. What is it? Web development using Django and Flask, AI and machine learning with TensorFlow, use chatbot and database science. Python is widely used in modern technology. We are saying that. But why we are saying this type of thing in Python? We are doing a coding and why we are involving the web development and AI into Python because Python is popular in modern technology. It is used in web development with framework like I already mentioned Django and Fangs, and also in artificial intelligence and machine learning because this generation is all about the digital world and we have to upgrade our program day by day. That's for the programming language. What we learn is that to conclude, what is that? Python supports multiple programming styles, easy to learn and beginner friendly. It can use be anywhere. It is the very good language for start the programming. Python is a powerful and uh, that support many programming style. It is useful for web development, AI, automation, and software application. Let's conclude today's session here. Bye bye. See you.